The eyepiece, you would be blinded because it's intensifying the sun's rays onto this screen. Now what about this little black dot? What do you think that is?
Venus?
It is. It's the planet Venus that's passing between the Earth and the Sun today. Does anyone know how big Venus is compared to the Earth?
About the same size.
It is about the same
but
size.
Little
but
smaller.
why does it look so small?
Because the sun's so big and it's a big distance away.
Yes, the sun's so big and Venus is so far away from us, it looks really tiny. Now, does anyone know when this is going to happen again, that Venus passes in front of the sun? Does anybody know? Yeah? It's 105 years from now. So how old will you be in 105 years?
115.
Dead.
Hey, that's not an age.
There's a small chance you might be able to see it again. But let's try and make the most of it today. Now, can you see what's happening? The sun's moving on my screen. I have to keep moving my telescope to get the sun back in the middle. Why is the sun moving in the screen? Or is the sun moving?
The Earth is rotating.
Yeah, the Earth is actually moving. We're moving. The sun is staying about in the same place. But I've got to keep refocusing my telescope on the sun. Now, can you see there's some little black spots on the sun?
Are they the moon?
Not Venus. There are some little
Jupiter.
black spots. Those spots are storms that are happening on the surface of the sun, and they make that little part of the sun not quite as hot as the rest of the sun. Now usually you can't see these because if you even glance at the sun you don't get to see anything like this. You have to have something like a telescope to be able to see these little sunspots.